Hi, I'm Anthony. Newton is too fancy for neighbors like these. Huh? Navi is way cooler than Newton. That's so mean. Newton is the best dog. Navi's 1 in a million. Don't listen to him, baby. Oh, yeah? This half is ours. Ha! Stay on your loser half, then. We will build our fancy secret room here. Tell us what to do. Oh, no. It's not for me. It's for Newton. He's the boss. Left? Right. Fine. Newton is pretty good at conducting the building process. Supplies and tools are here. Is that enough, Newton? Here's your money. What? Where are we supposed to get building supplies? Whoa! Navi, you are the smartest dog ever. Stay away from our half. No one needs it anyway. We're busy as it is. What? We're good at building too. It's too basic. Now it's perfect. We'll turn these tough gloves into a stylish accessory. Let's start building. What do you think, buddy? Yeah? Let's get started. Safety goggles. And now let's assemble the frame. I'll start with nails. Hey, you! Don't you dare run away! You're asking for it! Hi-ya! It worked! Our neighbor is making progress. We gotta go ahead of her. Move it! There! Our frame is done. Let's add a roof. Do you like it? Coffee break. Or sewing. Nah, I'd rather have coffee. Decoration time. Cardboard is trendy. Phew! I'm done with cardboard. Whoa! How did she pull that off so fast? Her room's gonna turn out too good. Oh man! I broke my brush. No biggie. I have a way better idea. Balloons and a slingshot. The balloons are filled with paint, though. Hey! Fire! Green! Nice! It turned out even better than I expected. Like it? Duh! Oh, there are tons of splinters. I need a thicker mattress. But that's not it yet. Velvet drapes so it looks like a royal palace. More cushions. Newton, playing with yarn again? That's an awesome idea. I can decorate the bed legs with it. And over here, I'll put up a curtain. We are about to decorate this place. What do we have here? Are you curious too? Your favorite toy, a poncho. Looking nice. Grass and a watering can. I'll turn you into a lawn. Gotta make sure everything's watered. And the suitcase turns into Navi's bed. Let's add a blanket. Voila! Navi, you are sitting on my favorite shirt. Fine. My pet can have anything. Special bedding for you. What do we think? More lights? Good call. I'll have to add another lamp. That'll do. Let there be light. Happy now? Some workout. Don't mind the neighbors. What are you staring at? Here's an idea. I'll make a canopy out of a hoop. Wow! And put it up over the bed. And we'll have lights over here. Is it pretty? Oh, Newton! You gotta have your own bed. I know what to do. Phew! That's heavy. Newton, you'll have a bunk bed. Wood's too harsh. We need fur upholstery. Also a mattress, a blanket, and cushions. And a cozy curtain. I know what's missing. A built-in closet. Want to go upstairs? I know you're gonna love it. It's so delicious. Are you hungry too? Here, enjoy. Don't want to eat from my plate? Fine. Then tell me which one of these you like. Got it. This bowl I made is exactly like the one in the catalog. Will you eat now? Bon appetit! What do you usually have for lunch? That's it? Okay, I'll divide the bowl into 3 parts. A different treat in each one. Enjoy! Rock, paper, scissors! Paper, scissors! Navi, this game is pretty easy. Let's play. You don't want to? Okay, let's play a different one. Tic-tac-toe. Except I'll put a treat in each cell. Your move. I see. You put down a cross. It's my move now. You again. Navi, that's 2 moves at once. Whatever. You won. Games? Fine. We'll play too. First things first. I'll get the game board ready. Making a rug from foam paper strips. Hiding dog food. Search, Newton. What are they doing? That's how you should play with a dog. Whoa! They have a rug and a bunk bed. We're doing pretty well, too. Are you tired, baby? Aww. A relaxing massage is just what you need. Like it? My neck is numb. Now I need a massage. More to the left. Thank you. I'll go with this straw today. Navi! Want to look at our old photos? You are a month old in this one. 2 months in this. There are tons of pics. I know. Let's make a garland out of photos. Our precious moments are on display now. Whoa! This is so sweet! What am I waiting for? We also need family portraits. These are my all-time favorites. It almost slipped my mind. Your first pick. Newton, this stylish mobile is for you. It'll make sure you have sweet dreams. Why are you awake, buddy? Can't sleep? I've got an idea. I'll make a mobile out of socks. Don't worry, they're clean. Works like a charm. Whoa! So posh! This dog has a great life. I wish I could live like that. It's time to get up. Rise and shine, Navi. Let's go for a walk. Too bad we can't stay in our cozy house. What's the matter? You need to go to the bathroom. Hold on a second. Here's a special potty for you. Good job! You are such a well-trained dog. What else can I spend money on? I know! I need a pool! Thanks! Newton, hop in! Aww. Our house is sick, isn't it, Navi? Navi, where are you? Newton! Where are you, Newton? What did you do to my dog? Here they are, playing. So adorable. Of course, we can get along too.